2012 Cadillac SRX power wire update. I just wanted to show what it looks like in the end. Threw a grommet in there. Got that all done up right there, and I wanted to throw in a detail here. Power wire through the firewall that I did earlier on the video. I did it lower than the OEM drain hole for the sunroof, but I extended my sunroof drain to go below the new hole that I made for the power wire. So, you know, if you're gonna do the same exact hole that I did, you need to consider extending that water drain, because the water drain factory is higher than that hole that I made. Just wanted to throw that out there.